If you want to achieve something in your life, you must first believe in yourself. Belief is the power that helps you to start, even things seems difficult. Many people fail not because they are not smart. They are smart, but because they don't believe that they can succeed. When you believe, you will try. When you try, you will learn. And when you learn, you will improve. Step by step, you move closer to your goals. Even if you face problems, don't give up. Every mistake is a lesson, and every lesson makes you stronger. Always remember, success doesn't come in one day, it takes time, patience, and hard work. So believe in your dream, work for it, and one day, I promise to you all, guys, you will achieve it.